My name's Mike Stammel. I'm the mayor of the city of Rensselaer, and I've lived in the city of Rensselaer all my life. I have a good rapport with all the people in the city of Rensselaer, especially with the seniors that are in the city of Rensselaer, because I've grown up with their families and we all have links one way or another. This living facility here, I can remember it being built when I was in high school here. I think Millennia's done a lot with making improvements with this building and always trying to satisfy the customer, which are the people who live here.
My name is Denise and I've lived here 8 years. Before the renovations, it was very dreary. It was very dirty. Things were falling apart. Pieces were missing out of the ceilings. Compared to how the building was before, it's a lot cleaner. It's a lot brighter. It's beautiful, actually.
My apartment was done when I moved in, and it's a wonderful place. I love it. I don't have to worry about anything. It's just homey to me. I really love it. They have a lot of things going on here for everybody. It's wonderful.
Before, the activities that were here, the residents did. Now we have Jody and Ashley that are amazing. They're the best people we've had here since I've been here.
I enjoy helping the residents, give them a sense of community, letting them know people care, because that's what we're here for. We put different programs together, everything from insurance programs. We have food pantries come in, donate food, coffee hour on Friday mornings. Also, the service coordinator helps them with their HEAP applications, food stamp applications. These are services that they should be able to get, so we try to help them along with that process.
I think this community here do a good job of providing a home for people who really need a home and working with those people to give them a better life.
The rents are sky high out there, and to have a decent place to live, somewhere that's safe, secure, that means a lot to them. Now that things are nicer, they're taking part in and they're getting out of their apartment, that says a lot right there.
I think improving communities like this is important for mental health. They're bright, it's beautiful, you're not getting depressed when you walk out in the hallway. If somebody was thinking of moving here, I've recommended it because they are beautiful, the apartments are wonderful.
What would I tell someone that's thinking about moving here? Please do. You won't regret it.